Hey, this is James Glass, and I am installing some Blumotion cabinet door dampers. You can either get these at your local hardware store, or in this case, no one sold them locally, so I had to buy them on Amazon. I got 10 of them for 30 some bucks prime. And typically the kit will come with this damper, which has a adjustable spring-loaded piston in it, and a spacer block, which you may or may not use depending upon your cabinet design, and then hardware for either the spacer, 2-inch hardware for the spacer, or 1-inch hardware if you don't use it. And installed, these guys look like this. It mounts on the hinge side, and the little gray piston comes out when you open the door. And then when you go to close the door, you can close it without worry of slamming it. It closes nice and slowly. Very nice. See? No slammy slam. So all you have to do is mark, using the actual hardware itself, mark where this goes. Kind of shooting here by myself today, so it's hard to do, but I place this in place with my spacer, and I use the back of my screwdriver to just tap the screw, which left a small mark right there. And then I'll drill a pilot hole with my right angle tight fit kit, and then I'll use the impact to screw it in. And I don't know if I can get a shot of that or not. Shooting here on my phone. Maybe I can set this thing up to shoot. Maybe that'll work. Here, I'm using a hole saw as a tripod. Yeah, that looks like it's going to work. And so this is really nice, by the way. This is a Snap-on or Blue Point, whatever, but you can get these probably at Lowe's, and it allows you to get in really tight spaces for drilling hardware just like this. Can't see my mark because I'm 50 years old and I have bifocals. Tap it again. So I'm just taking it. You don't need to leave much. Okay, I can see it now. Get my bifocals in the right spot. The oak faces are, well, they're oak. You really should pre-drill. And I like to start the hardware manually before I hit it with the impact, just to make sure I'm in the right spot. Nice. And then the last thing I want to show you is the adjuster. So that's how fast these things go in. And this little piston is the damper. And underneath there is a screw that allows for adjustment. And turning it there's actually a little symbol on there, but turning it clockwise increases, turning it clockwise decreases adjustment. On a door this small, we don't need very much. So I put it about in the middle, and voila. Hey, thanks for watching. I am not in any way sponsored by Blumotion. I've just tried a bunch of different door dampeners, and I really like their product. It does cost a skosh more than some of the other ones, but let's just say that this sucker is great. First of all, the other ones are all plastic. This is actually real metal. The other ones are often not adjustable, and this thing lasts. I know Blumotion stuff that's been lasting for years and years and years, and some of the other hardware that's out there. I won't mention names, but it's on Amazon and it costs about half or a quarter. Yeah, after about 2 years, you're replacing them all. So, yeah, I'm not sponsored by Blumotion, but I really like their cabinet hardware. Okay, hey, thanks for watching.